Okay. So let's get to it.
So number 3 is just a regular P.
Yep. Um. I think this one was a little easier than 16.
So 4.
True?
2, yeah.
Okay.
Is that just the same thing?
I'm pretty sure.
Like the 2 is one
Well,
like
it
1.
NP is greater or equal to, yeah, it's the same. So true. Okay.
So 0.75.
Mhm.
95.
Is that going back to the old one? Right now it's different. Oh.
Oh, so it's just the one where it's like the P minus C times.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay.
I like doing those ones though. They make sense to me. What's the decimal for 95%? Oh yeah, never mind. It's 1.960. So would the mean be 45 just divided by 60? Wait, no. Um, okay. Okay. How are you figuring it out?
I'm just using the equation, the p minus c times the square root of the p parentheses 1, like all that.
Yeah.
But the first time I did it, I got something like totally not part of any of the answers. I got negative 0.053, so I'm doing it again.
Okay.
Is that what you're doing too?
Yeah, but I just can't figure out what the mean would be.
The mean?
Because like the x with the bar over it, that's mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the standard deviation.
But I don't think we need that, right? Because it's just the... Maybe I'm doing the wrong equation.
Okay. I think I'm using the old one.
Yeah, because I'm doing the the one that's under confidence interval for one proportion. Is that the one that we're supposed to be doing?
Okay, yeah. I'm using the wrong one. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't like all these.
I know, there's a lot of equations for this one, I feel like.
Okay, so what's the P number we're using? With the caret over it?
Point. So then that's the 0.75.
Okay. And then you do minus 1.960.
Oh, 9. Wait.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
0.75.
that's sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, I've been just getting over a cold again.
Oh no. Okay. So it would be 0.75, 1.96. No. Okay.
I got a different answer, but it's still not one of them. I got
5 minus 1.960, and then times the square root of 0.75 minus, oh my goodness, so many parentheses. 1 minus 0.75 divided by 60 Okay, I got 0.942. And that's not even an option. Okay.
Hmm.
I think it's because I have too many. Okay. 0.75 minus 0.96. Okay, I got 0.067. And that's not an option either. Do we want to go back to that one?
Okay.
Well, and if you increase the sample size, wouldn't the width decrease?
I know that one.
Okay, I still don't understand this one. So we had a question like that on Tuesday.
Oh man. 2 requirements. Okay. Um, so I just put I'm just making it up. I put 10 divided by 0.5,
Okay.
right? Because it has to be it has if you times it has to be greater than 10.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think it is?
So I think it's 20 because 0.5 times 20 is 10.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
I
So
don't
then
know if
what
that.
is it gonna be? 100?
Oh.
Or I think it'd be 100.
100.
Or is that how that's what's the biggest it can be? Not the smallest?
For
Never mind. I just don't get those questions at all. Would it be true?
and then for the first, yeah, because for the first one it was true. So
Okay.
I didn't do the second equation yet. But did you get it? Was over 10?
Well, I'm just assuming, but
So when yeah. Yep.
what is P? X divided by N. I got 0.475.
Yeah, me too.
And then the test statistic. This section's a lot shorter because there's only like 4 different lessons for this test.
That's nice. How do you find Z?
You do the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
Oh, I think you told me that.
Wait, would you have to use... Give me a sec.
Looking over the reading.
That's what I'm wondering.
See, I don't know how to figure this out.
Because if there's like a Excel or a SPSS, okay, categorical data analysis, that's the page. Okay. I just accidentally downloaded the Excel one. frustrating. Okay.
So, oh. I didn't know you're still here. You scared me. I literally thought there was like apple chips back here, but it's just your flower petals.
So you were good.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's my roommate. My goodness. Why is categorical? I feel like this should be so much simpler than it is.
I know, right?
Do we want to go back to that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. But we can't do 14 till we do 13.
Uh-uh.
And we can't do 15 and 16. Okay. 0.75 minus 1.960 times square root of 0.75. Okay, I got 0.640 for number 7. That one.
What did you do differently?
I think just how I have the parentheses
Okay.
put around stuff. But I feel pretty confident with that one. Okay, find the test statistic. Okay. I feel like there's something we should download for 11 through 16, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Um,
I'm Googling it.
okay.
We'll see what pops up. Hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
The z-score is p with the caret minus p divided by the square root of p1 minus p. Okay. So our numbers are 0.475, and then what's the normal p number?
0.6.
0.6 divided by 0.61 times point. And there's, or would you use the new data? Oh wait, never mind. We'll do 80. Okay, I got negative 10.479.
Which equation did you use?
It's the z equals p with the caret minus p divided by the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n, which is basically the value minus the mean divided by standard deviation.
Okay.
But I don't think I used the right numbers. Are we using the, like with the 38 and the 80?
Yeah.
Okay. So you would put 38, no. You'd use p minus, I don't know. I feel like that's a big number. It's like I understand what you're supposed to do, I just don't know which numbers to use.
Yeah. So
I'm pretty sure you'd use the n and the 80,
mhm.
and then,
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
no, what were you gonna say?
So just like, so then 0.475 and then minus the 0.6 and then what's the standard deviation?
It'd be the square root 0.6 and then times 1 minus 0.6 divided by 80. But I got a big number.
Okay.
Okay, I got negative 2.282. That sounds a little better.
Mhm. You go with that one?
I think so. So negative 2.282. And then you plug that into the Probability applet, and it's U shade on the left. Which would be 0.011. And you would reject the null hypothesis, right? Well, I think it says that because
always
the
mess
null
me up.
hypothesis at the top says that P would be equal to 0.6.
Mm-hmm.
Our P is 0.01, so we would reject the null. So which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? There is insufficient evidence to conclude that the water has decreased.
Or there is sufficient evidence that it has.
Okay, yeah, there is that it has increased or decreased.
Okay, so the first one,
I think so.
did we get them all?
I think so, yeah.
Oh gosh,
How are you doing in this class?
not good. Like, I thought about dropping it, you know,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to try to, you know, I don't want to take it again. But we'll see. How about you?
For a math class, I'm okay with like lower grades,
Yeah.
and like I'm doing better than I thought I would, but
Good. That's way good. Have you gone to like the math lab and stuff?
I just never find the time.
Yeah.
'Cause I just have my roommates help me since they're taking the class too, but I should probably start going down there more.
Oh, hey, we got 100.
Did we?
Yay!
It's a beautiful day.
We are so smart. Very, very smart.
I'm happy. Okay. And do we want to email Sister?
Oh yeah, yeah. Just we'll just say that Tabitha dropped and.
We don't know what to do.
Yeah, I was surprised that she dropped, but
It's understandable though. Like she has a lot going on.
through a lot. Yeah. Yeah.
It's just frustrating though because this project's meant for like a group of 5 or 6.
I know.
So I'm like, what are we supposed to do?
Us too, and yeah.
Okay, so let's like draft up an email, like send one to me maybe, and then see if it's good, and then we'll send it to her.
Sounds good.
I feel like you're good at professional emails and.
Well, we'll try.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Later.
Okay. Bye bye.